Scott's got a camera, coffee, and a chair. He's breaking it down like he just